In this video, we will guide you through a process of registration and setting up your account for a free 14 days free trial license. First, click on Sign Up in the menu. You will be redirected to account creation page where you can fill your details for the account registration as email, username, and password. After clicking on the registration button, your account will be created and you will receive an account activation email. It is required to activate your account to work properly and to access Account Panel. Then please go to your email inbox where you will obtain a link for account activation. After click on the account activation link, you will be redirected to our website and your account will be active. Now you can log into your account and access our account panel where you can edit your informations, change password, and also fill your Autodesk email which will be used for the license in the add-ins section. You can also find there your orders in case of bought products and see your billing informations. You can also set your language which you want to use for our add-on in Fusion 360. In the add-ons section, please fill out your Autodesk email with which you log into Autodesk, and this email will be used for the license. You can change it anytime. After you update this information, you will receive 14 days free trial on your Autodesk account and you can enjoy using our add-on. If you still did not download and install our add-on, please go to download page and click download now from Autodesk App Store.